Okay, coach, a second defeat, giving up a number of goals today. First up, what you think went wrong, especially in the first half of the game?
We weren't strong defensively. I think we could have done much better with the tracking and even protecting the goal area some more. We know the Cavaliers team play and we plan for it. So it's just unfortunate that the defenders allow those plays and allow those 3 goals in the first half.
A good comeback in the second half. How pleased are you with that performance?
Well, that's one of the positives in the game for us. I think we create a number of goal scoring chances right throughout the 90 minutes. There was a time in the game that we were creating chances, but we weren't ruthless enough. And that is something that we definitely have to work on.
4 games in charge, 3 games on the trot where you have lost. How pressuring is it, seeing that it's an Arnett Gardens community
It
team?
doesn't matter which community it is. I mean, this is a result-oriented game, and definitely positive results are what the spectators are always asking for. So it's something that needs to be fixed. Arnett Garden is a team in transition. We have lost some key pieces, and we are trying to put back the team together with some new guys. And it's taking its time. We just need to be patient.
At this early stage, do you feel pressured?
I just answered that question. It's always a pressure job, right? Before the season starts, during the season, it's always a pressure job, and it's a result-oriented game. So yeah, there's pressure there, and we always want to do good, and we're not doing good at the moment. But the pressure that we're having is because of our ambition, and we're working to fix it.
Looking ahead to your next encounter, how you look at it and how you plan to, what changes, if ever, you plan to make?
We just have to be ruthless and more protective of the goal area. We know the defensive unit is a problem. We're going to work hard on fixing it to see if we can keep a clean sheet. We're going to still continue to play, create our chances, and hopefully we can convert those chances in the next game.
Coach, despite the loss this evening, you go up against the title holders, Cavalier. Are you seeing a much improved performance from a team based on what you've seen so far season start?
If you look, Kelson is out there for the entire game. Also, Jaim, we are coming in terms of those guys. They join us back late, and we are working on their fitness. As soon as they're up, I think we'll be okay.
Parker Blacks as well, Fabian Reed, his fitness level and also getting at the highest level to start scoring goals again.
Yeah, we know that what he can deliver. But he has to be fit to do that, and we are working on that day in day out. As I said, give us a couple of more rounds, and you'll see the true Arnett Garden team.
Yeah, coach. You mentioned just now that you lost a few key pieces. Satisfied that the players that came in are able to do the job for you.
There are some department that we have asked for players, and we have not yet to secure those players, and the window is closed. So we just have to make do with what we have and push on until the next window.
Okay, coach, thanks, all the best.
Yeah.